Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save battery on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, when the smartphone's battery is low, it can affect the device performance. So, by saving battery, you can maintain optimal performance, such as faster uploading times, smoother multitasking, and quicker response times. Okay, here are the steps to do. First, you can enable adaptive brightness and dark mode. Well, open Play Settings menu on your device. So here, select Display option. And then you can activate adaptive brightness and dark mode. Well, and for the second step, it is by enabling power saving mode. Well, here you can return to the previous page and select battery option. Okay, after that, activate the power saving here. Well, on to the next step. Here you can turn off active feature on your device like a Bluetooth, hotspot, location, or any features that are not used. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save battery on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.